Hi all, hope you are well. I am Karthikeyan Singaram from Enzo Technology Solutions India Private Limited, working as a technical engineer for past 2 years. So I am welcoming for the session 4. So previously you have seen 3 different sessions, and yet this is also another good session. So we will look about Loraman weighing scale. So what is meant by a weighing scale, and what is the importance of weighing scale in the today's era? So if you are seeing for past 20 years, not past 20 years, even past 50 years or past before past, you can able to understand the weight proportion plays an important role. Even in your supermarket or in your vegetable market or in fruits market, if you are taking an apple, so you need to ask for a half a kg or 1 kg or some other fruits. Okay. In the same way, if you are going for some of the groceries, so if you are taking rice, wheat or pulses, same the quantity of half kg, 1 kg, 2 kg or 5 kg. So here weight places an important role in order to give the money for the equal quantity, right? So in this way, the era before we started, it is in terms of an analog values. Later, after digitalization, so later if you are seeing the weighing scale improves a lot in terms of digital parameters. So we started seeing the values in terms of digital, right? In the same way, now this is the space for IoT. So what is the impact of IoT in weighing scale? Why IoT is necessary in weighing scale? So we can elaborate in terms of IoT, okay, in terms of weighing scale. So if you are looking for a weighing scale, so later in the digital era, instead of a stone-like structure, we are seeing the values in the display. So still there is there is an embedded system, but in the recent ways, this is improved a lot in terms of IoT based solution. So why IoT based solution is very much important in terms of weighing scale. So you can able to understand the weighing scale parameter in healthcare system. So take for example, if a baby is born, either girl baby or boy baby, so how the doctor confirms, so the baby is in good condition or somewhat in the improvement stage, because after the baby is born, they will put into the weight. Okay, so approximate value of 2.5 kg for newborn baby is necessary. So it is like 1.8 to 2.5. If less than 1.5 kg, then they will take into a incubator. So here you can able to understand how much weight parameter is important for even a newborn baby, as well as in grocery, as well as in vegetable shop, as well as in some other parameters. Now the importance of IoT here, take for example in terms of poultry solution. So the poultry solution is nothing but chicks. So chick, even if you are taking an egg, okay, so the egg is later transformed into a chick, then slowly growth around 3 months in order to make it as a full chicken. So for a quality of chicken, obviously it requires 3 months for making it into a one structured chicken. In this, if you are seeing, every 15 days they need to wait. If your weight is normally around 300 gram, later after 15 days it is 700 grams, later after 3 months it is 1.2 kg, then it will long last up to 2 to 2.5 kg. So in this poultry solution, what they are doing? Continuously they are monitoring the weight. So by monitoring the weight only, they are confirming whether it is in healthy condition or somewhat in we need to take care of the chicks, right? So this is the use case of the weighing scale in IoT. So here in using LoRaWAN, So we don't bother about the data. So if you are making an application, then obviously if you are putting each chicks into the weight with the proper application tag, so obviously month on month or 15 days once we can able to measure or see the data in our TTN space later in our application. So this plays a major role in terms of weighing scale based application. So now we are going to see how it is going to work. So at present we are having a normal weighing scale from different vendors, especially take SA. So using a SA weighing scale, what we are going to do, because as a system integrator, after the now we will see how the system is going to work. So for constructing a system, LoRaWAN based weighing scale system, we need an ordinary digital weighing scale. Then in order to send the data from weighing scale to the cloud, we are having a intermediate node. That intermediate node is nothing but RS-232 to LoRaWAN converter, because the weighing scale will give the output either based on RS-232 or USB. So now we are going to unbox the RS-232 to LoRaWAN converter. So if you are opening the Arsalink based RS-232 LoRaWAN converter, you have one antenna followed by Arsalink node. This will convert the data from RS-232 to LoRaWAN data. Okay. So here you can able to see ACK as well as the system as well as the mini USB. So we can able to power this system with either from 5 volt to 24 volt DC supply. So after powering, here we are going to place an antenna. Then from here we are going to tap the RS-232 output from the weighing scale, and we are going to give the input to this system. Then here we have a software configuration in order to deal with RS-232 data to LoRaWAN data. Okay, so this will work on the baud rate of from 2400 to 9600 with one stop bit and non-parity. So this is an industrial grade casing, so that even in rugged environment it can able to withstand. But since we are using a LoRaWAN based system, obviously the next thing is we need to go for a battery activated device. Instead of using the power supply, since this is a LoRaWAN based ecosystem, so we are using a 12 volt battery. I will show the battery. This is a 12 volt rechargeable battery along with 8 ampere, 8 Ah. Okay. Then what we are going to do means, we are converting the weighing scale as a power supply based and LoRaWAN N module as a battery based, as well as it will work on a class A, since we are not using any downlink, as well as since it is working on battery, obviously we are going to look about the stability of the battery. So we are going for class A based operation. The final thing is ThinkSmith. So after the data is getting at the TTN or TTI, then we are going to route the data to our own application server. The application server is the ThinkSmith. This is developed by our own application team. So we are going to log the data in the application server. So after the logging of data, it will be helpful for the future analysis. And finally, the overall technical specification of this product is, it will work on 230 volt power supply for the weighing scale, and the LoRaWAN node is working on the 12 volt battery, and the weighing scale is 6 digits red LED based. Then the maximum capacity of that weighing scale is 60 kg. Hope this session will be useful for you, and we will furthermore we are attached the working demonstration of this product as well as the PPT of this workshop. Thank you. Bye.